How to fix laptop not connecting to Hotspot. Method 1. Forget the mobile hotspot network and reconnect. Right-click the Start menu button and click Settings. Select the Network and Internet panel. Select Wi-Fi. Click Manage Known Networks. Identify the mobile hotspot and click the Forget button next to it. Return to the Wi-Fi settings panel. Click Show Available Networks. Click on the mobile hotspot and click Connect. Enter the password and click Next. Method 2. Update your network adapter driver. Right-click the Start menu button and click Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Network Adapters list. Right-click your network adapter and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will scan your PC for the best available driver and install it. Alternatively, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Browse and select a driver you downloaded from the hardware vendor's website. Alternatively, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a driver from the list of available drivers and click Next. Click Close. Restart your PC. Method 3. Run the Internet connections and network adapter troubleshooters. Right-click the Start menu button and click Settings. In the System panel, scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. Click Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. The troubleshooter will identify the issues and suggest fixes. Then, scroll down and run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Select your network adapter and click Next. We recommend running the troubleshooter for each network adapter separately. Click Try these repairs as an administrator. Click Close after completing the troubleshooting. Method 4. Reset network settings to default. Right-click the Start menu button and click Settings. Select the Network and Internet panel. Select Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click Reset now. Click Yes to confirm the reset. Click Close when prompted. Restart your PC. Method 5. Modify network adapter settings. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in ncpa.cpl in the Run dialog and click OK. In the Network Connections window, right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and click Properties. Select the Sharing tab. Mark the Allow Other Network Users to Connect Through This Computer's Internet Connection checkbox, and click OK. Method 6. Delete the hosted network settings value in Windows Registry. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in regedit in the Run dialog, and click OK. Click File in the toolbar, and click Export. Select where to save the file, name the file registry_backup, and click Save. Then navigate to HKey local machine /system /current control set /services /WLAN SVC /parameters /hosted network settings. Select the hosted network settings key in the left pane. In the right pane, right-click the hosted network settings value, and click Delete. Click Yes when prompted to confirm the removal. Close the registry editor, and restart your PC. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.